So who is TD? And probably more importantly, how did TD come about? Well, there was a gap in the market and a need for a smart lock. And really two smart entities came together in Poland, one with a very strong software background and developing apps, and also one from a hardware background. And I think the fusion of those two really created a smart solution called TD. So the challenge TD were trying to overcome was not to really make a new smart lock, but to make a smart lock that everybody can use and make it easy to install. And more importantly, really trying to address this massive retrofit market, being able to put a smart lock on an existing door lock easily and simply. Well, they've really thought about the existing market today and what's installed. They've come up with a really clever idea of putting the smart lock on the inside and really replicating or mimicking what's happening on the inside of the door. This product here is the TD Pro. TD Pro is the smallest and quietest smart lock on the market today, and simply attaches to the inside of the door. This one here is a typical Australian mortise lock that you'd see on an apartment or a unit door as an example. By changing the adapter inside here, we can attach the smart lock on the inside thumb turn and mimic what we wanted to do on the inside of the door. This one here has been set up to retract the latch as an example, but we could also have that locking and unlocking the outside handle also. So that's one, that's the top of the range TD Pro Smart Lock. Then we have this one here, which is a TD Go, slightly bigger. The key difference here is the TD Pro has a lithium rechargeable battery, okay? The TD Go has 3 replaceable batteries, a little bit bigger and constructed slightly differently and really targeted to that residential market. This product can be installed via an adapter. We've got a deadbolt adapter here, which simply replaces the inside thumb turn of a standard deadbolt adapter. And we mount the TD Go on there. Or we can simply put that over the inside key on a Euro profile cylinder also. And again, same functionality as you would see from the TD Pro. So how will TD add value to your business? Well, I think this product is quite unique in the fact if you have a building that has an heritage overlay as an example and not been able to make major changes to the door or door frame, we can simply add that to the internal thumb turn with minimum intrusion to the door and make it a really simple upgrade. I think the other thing too is when you do have doors that have lots of different functions and different features, the locks can be set to mimic that. Okay, so if you've got a door where you've got just a simple latch retraction, we can have the TD lock do that. If you want to lock and unlock the outside handle, we can have it do that. If you want to pull the latch back, as an example, or do a double throw, we can do that. So I think when you've got a project with multiple door functions, the TD Pro and TD Go can be set up to mimic that. Other additional ways that TD can add value is if you have sites that are remote and you simply want to add 1 or 2 doors to it without putting a whole infrastructure in there from an access control perspective, this product is perfect for that. And again, when we talk about integration, TD integrates to lots of platforms today. So again, if you've got 1 or 2 doors in an additional site you want to add to your system, TD Pro is an ideal solution. Another key area and target for TD Pro in particular is in this multi-res space. We've seen a lot more build to rent properties that are requiring access and change of access. The great thing about this, the TD Pro, is as you can see here on the outside, the door remains the same. So from an architectural design point of view, we can choose any type of door furniture, door escutcheon, even your mechanical master key system. All the smart technology is on the inside by simply changing the inside thumb turn and adding a smart lock to it. So again, from a design point of view, we don't really care what door furniture is on there, what colors, what mortise lock. We simply bolt on to the inside. And these are available in different colors also. So the TD Pro can match and mix with your design elements. Some additional products that come with the TD range is Bluetooth keypad as an example. Now this can be mounted really anywhere around the door, on the door, beside the door, and simply connects to the TD Pro or TD Go via Bluetooth. And there we have our pin code working the TD Pro lock. Again, just to be clear, This is the inside of the door. The outside remains the same. Another one that's been developed to really address things like the garage door or gates, where we need a contact to open that. We do have a little smart box here that can be connected to the TD app. One other thing too, is we do have a Wi-Fi bridge, so we can connect a Wi-Fi bridge simply by plugging it into a GPO. So I've got one here for an Australian plug, connects to a local GPO, and that gives you wireless connectivity and also integration to lots of smart home platforms. Really important. And again, being able to open that lock remotely from anywhere. Also being able to set access rights, time permissions per user as well through that app also. So just to summarize the TD range, this is the TD Pro, again, the smallest, quietest smart lock on the market, and really geared to that multi-res and light commercial application. Lots of features, very durable, rechargeable battery. And again, we've taken careful consideration to develop this to fit in line with a lot of Australian product, okay? So it fits beautifully into the Australian water slot landscape. Again, fire rated for 2 hours. TD Go, again, really targeted the residential, standalone residential, perfect for going over the inside of a Euro profile cylinder with a key or onto a deadbolt adapter. And just to be clear, all these products work with a range of adapters, okay? So you can choose between the Go and the Pro. Keypad, as I mentioned earlier, we have a Bluetooth keypad that works with both the range and again, the Wi-Fi bridge. And of course, the last thing too is our little contact that can control gates and also garages as well. So if you want to learn more about the TD range, I'd love to get in contact with you and talk to you in a bit more depth around how the product can be integrated, how it can work with your solution, how it can fit with different types of locks and be a real benefit to any project across the country, New Zealand and Australia. So my contact details are on the screen here today. Please feel free to contact me directly. I'd love the chance to have a chat with you and talk to you more about the TD range and how it can be a big benefit to you and your business, and how we can also aspire to get a smart lock on every door.